Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Take a look, Intuit Dome construction update. The complex, spanning over 300 acres, will also include housing, offices, retail, a hotel, and park space. The first update, pouring the concrete floor of Intuit Dome. Over 20,000 square feet of concrete has been poured to lay the foundation for Intuit Dome's main basketball court and floor. Intuit Dome's exterior takes shape in Inglewood. The future home of the Clippers is slated to open for the 2024-25 NBA season. The $1.2 billion project, which will be home to the Los Angeles Clippers starting in the 2024-2025 NBA season, has now been under construction. The arena, designed by AECOM, is designing Intuit Dome, rises approximately 150 feet in height, and features an elliptical footprint. When we last checked in over the summer, the metal grid that will support the building's basketball net-inspired canopy was complete. Now, metal panels are being hoisted into place, and the arena's logo adorns its rooftop. Views from the roof of one of our projects. Sophie Stadium $5.5 billion and the new Intuit Dome Clippers $1.8 billion are both close by. For 2 years at the intersection of Century Boulevard and Prairie Avenue, while the main attraction is the 18,000-seat arena.